Hi, this is Scott Dorn with Spectrum Industries. We're here today to show you our new InVue Lectern. The InVue Lectern is designed to be able to fit into small spaces, provide an aesthetic appeal, and as you see right here, have an opportunity to have digital signage or a poster style display on the front or audience panel, change your logos real time, and or have dynamic content streaming for an instructor, presenter, or the individual who's going to be speaking. There is an opportunity for auxiliary power, so if they bring in their own device, they can quickly power up. You have a storage drawer for batteries, remotes, additional equipment that you might need, and you also have a audio-visual wire management system and shelf unit to be able to store and manage your AV equipment. So this small footprint lectern is available from Spectrum Industries today. For more information on the InVue Lectern, please visit spectrumfurniture.com. Take a look at this and the rest of our fantastic products.